Welcome to Beyond the Rinse, where we explore the hidden biology of your daily hygiene routine. What you can't see on your toothbrush matters more than what you can. Step into your bathroom and you are entering a biological growth zone. Shower steam and lingering dampness create a tropical microclimate, a perfect breeding ground for microorganisms. We meticulously sanitize hands and counters, yet the item we put inside our bodies twice daily is the most neglected tool. This neglect is disguised as a routine. Bacteria don't just sit on the surface. They build a resilient, sticky fortress called biofilm. This protective matrix allows pathogens to thrive, particularly at the base of the bristles. A quick splash of water removes visible debris, but leaves the microscopic fortress intact. Standard rinsing is insufficient against pathogen neutralizing needs, meaning your toothbrush remains a biological liability. The most sophisticated weapon against contamination is not synthetic. It is hypochlorous acid, or HOCl. Naturally produced by your white blood cells, HOCl is your immune system's frontline defense. Danolyte HOCl replicates the body's internal response using pure salt, water, and electricity. This process results in a solution that is completely biocompatible. We are often taught that effective disinfectants must be harsh. Danolyte shatters this myth by providing hospital-grade efficacy that is safe enough for personal hygiene applications. It offers efficacy without toxicity. Unlike bleach or alcohol-based sanitizers, HOCl is non-irritating, requiring no gloves, masks, or warning labels. If a trace amount remains on the bristles, it is harmless, safe enough to ingest. The 60-second daily defense is frictionless. First, rinse debris. Second, spray liberally. Third, wait 60 seconds to neutralize pathogens. Finally, dry upright. No need to wash it off. For the weekly deep soak, submerge your brush head for 5 to 10 minutes. This is the ultimate disruptor for the invisible slime, neutralizing microorganisms deep within the bristles that sprays might not fully reach. HOCl is an active molecule and is highly light sensitive. UV exposure degrades its molecular bonds. The rule is to always store it in the original opaque container to maintain potency. It's not just about bad breath. Oral bacteria are increasingly linked to systemic health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. Your toothbrush can be a gateway to your bloodstream. The old standard is rinse and hope, resulting in a biofilm hub incubator. The new standard is medical sanitization, providing hospital-grade, non-toxic clean by using the body's own molecule, HOCl. The final question is, if you wouldn't eat off a plate that had only been rinsed with water, why are you putting a rinsed-only toothbrush in your mouth?